kids. Today's book is Dog Can Hide by Laura Gehl. Dog can hide, frog can hide, cat can seek. Frog can hide in a log, cat cannot peek. Dog can hide in a mat, cat cannot peek. Cat can seek by the bog. Buzz, buzz, frog can find a fly. Slurp, burp, cat can find frog. Cat and frog seek. Cat and frog seek by the creek. Eek! Dog is not by the creek. Cat and frog find the mat. Cat and frog find dog. Cat can hide, frog can hide, dog can seek. Dog can seek by the hat. Dog can find cat. Dog can seek by the bog. Dog cannot find frog. Dog can seek by the creek. Dog cannot find frog. Buzz, 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 buzz. Dog can find frog. Slurp, burp. Well, that's the end. I guess the story is all about playing hide and seek. What'd you think? It was an easy book. Love you guys.